Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to hide albums in gallery on this device. So firstly you have to open gallery, then switch to the albums section. So then you have to pick an album which you want to hide, for example this one, and hold down your finger on it. Then select hide, OK, and as you can see this album just disappeared. Wow! So what we can do with it now? You tap on three dots, go to settings, and here in view hidden albums you can see all of your albums which you hide, and view photos from it and perform any actions on it too. You can also unhide it here, and after that this album will appear in the list of other albums too, just like it was before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.